making it even more difficult for them to move. Peaceful Kenyan demonstrators. And therefore, Your Honor, for anybody to say an affidavit wanting to hold them for 14 days is going against the spirit, the letter and the spirit of Constitution 2010. They are not, we do not know, nobody is actually saying, because the only reason you can hold Kenyans is if they are, for the kind of period the prosecutor is talking about, is if they are suspected to be terrorists, in which case they would have been arraigned before a court, I think a terrorist court somewhere in Kiambu. And therefore, Your Honor, we strongly urge that this court protects the right to peaceful demonstration. We believe there's absolutely no reason to hold Kenyans who have been singing peaceful, patriotic songs. That is not an offense. Your Honor, we urge that you come to the help of your country by dismissing this application with the contempt it deserves, because it is unconstitutional, it's even unethical, and it defeats logic.
Your Honor, we don't have a because there are some issues that are coming up, matters of trust and order. I think the court should just give us a direction in regards to whether the matter to proceed or the deferment to proceed.
I think, Your Honor, he has already made this application.
Yeah.
Even though I had objected, he has made his application. We are now responding. So he must hold his peace.
Yeah.
We respond, because what else would you have to say other than what is in the affidavit? You've already objected to any application. So let us respond to you. We have something to say. I want to be last to let my colleagues go on.
Your Honor, I was not done. I was cut short by my colleagues.
Maybe
and it can go on record.
My lady, I had the pleasure of appearing in the matter 249/2024. This is the state regarding Boniface Mangi, and I appeared alongside Senior Counsel Martha Kalonzo. The charges which are being referred in the application, there is a recommendation, a letter which was issued by the ODG in regards to the copy-paste. This is creating disturbance, which has actually been listed there, and lawful assembly, which has been stated there, and also section 79. And the upshot of this particular letter, which was signed off by the acting director, that was Dorcas Ratgat, consequently the DPP directs that the evidence presented has not met the evidentiary threshold to warrant approval for the proposed charges. Therefore, the application to actually be, the persons be actually granted bail is actually rightly before this court. The prosecutor meeting, rather trying to prosecute the application in itself, it does not stand in itself.
Your Honor, with your kind permission, my name is Daniel Manzo, representing the team which has been presented before you. Your Honor, Article 49 and 50 are clear as to the rights of an accused person. And one of the rights his right to bail. It would have been issued at the police station, which can be issued by this court. And further to that, all constitutional issues, Your Honor, are already raised in the petition presented before you, and therefore, nothing forbids you from going on to exercise the Constitution and release accused persons on bail pending the hearing of this particular application, which, Your Honor, we submit will be lengthy. We present all the laws dealing with this. And belonging to the senior bar, Your Honor, I'll tell you this happened years before, before 2000, and the responses and the precedence is very clear what happens in this particular sort of thing. In fact, it has not happened, Your Honor, for the last 25 years. And therefore, we want to canvass it conclusively under the new constitution so that all Kenyans, Your Honor, are happy with it, and that the court cannot be rushed into just agreeing with the police officer who sworn an affidavit here, which in the first place is defective, and secondly, discloses no offenses. For there to be a charge sheet, Your Honor, there must be a there must be an offense which is disclosed on the face of the document. I thank you, Your Honor, and agree with my seniors that the accused person be first and foremost be released on bail.